Ladies and gents, welcome to my channel, and today I will show you how to make this very simple wooden hanger for your helmets. A little bit different content than usual on my channel, but it is 100% motorcycle related content. So stick around. So until now I have used these Chinese hanger, which I can move all direction. But the problem with it is, as you can see, the helmets are banging against each other and against the wall, which I don't like. I just don't want my helmet to be scratched and wall scratched and broken everything. So that's not really a good solution for me. And another problem, I have now another helmet. I don't have space for it. So it's time for a new hanger. And there is a new trend on YouTube where people are making these very simple wooden hangers for the helmets. So I think I'm gonna make one or three. And I'm going to show you how, of course. So, let's go. So, and here we are, very simple, very effective helmet hanger, very cheap materials, it's easy to make and you don't need special tools, just a hand saw and a screwdriver is enough to make such a hanger. But of course, if you have basic power tools, it is much easier to do it and the end effect is much better, the quality will be much better. Looks pretty good. And I have space for 3 helmets now. Of course, it don't have to be the end. There are countless possibilities with this hanger. You can mount here a few hooks and you can hang your motorcycle gloves or your motorcycle keys or whatever else. Especially that mine is hanging above the radiator, the central heating. So the radiator at the same time will dry my helmets, my gloves or whatever I want to hang here. So I would say the new trend on YouTube, pretty handy. So that's it for today, guys. If you like this video, give me thumbs up and subscribe. And if you like this kind of videos, this topic videos, let me know. Maybe I do a few more of those. If you like my channel, you can support me by clicking super thanks button underneath the screen, or you can buy me a coffee. All the informations are in the description of this video. So once again, thanks for watching, guys, and of course, see you in the next one.